Welcome back. So today we are going to make stuffed mushrooms. They're going to be absolutely delicious. It's just your traditional stuffed mushroom. Nothing too special, but they're going to be delicious. But before we get started, here's a little joke for you. Why do mushrooms always get invited to parties?
Why?
Because they're fun, guys. Ha ha ha. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
When I say these are super easy, I mean they are crazy easy. To start, we're going to de-stem our mushrooms, about 1 pound of them.
The flour. Yum, 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 yum.
By taking the stems out and putting the mushroom caps to the side, and then chop up the stems and throw those into a pan. Once we get all those done, we are going to make our filling. To start, we are going to take our mushroom stems in a pan and put them over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Perfect. Once that butter is melted, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then we're going to saute this up and get the garlic toasted a little bit. Once you can smell that nice aroma of the garlic, we are going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs or Panko crumbs. Then we're going to melt this all together until it becomes almost like a paste.
Looking good.
Then we're going to take our mushroom caps and stuff our filling into them, and make sure to mound this so that there's plenty of filling. We're going to take these and dunk them into breadcrumbs to give them a nice crunch. You can also use Panko crumbs again. Just depends, whatever you want to use or whatever you have on hand.
Doing it all the way around like a circle. Now you're doing a great job.
You're doing a great job, sweetie.
You are doing a great job.
You want to do it? Then we're going to throw these into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Simple as that.
We have a mushroom.
So there we have our stuffed mushrooms. And in case you can't tell, it is New Year's Eve. I mean, stuffed mushrooms go perfect for New Year's Eve. So it's for the occasion that we're making it. Might as well make a video with it. So without further ado, let's get taste testing.
Yeah, go for it, girl.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
And the sauce are really good.
Really good?
These are really good. I really like them. They're nice and creamy. I personally love stuffed mushrooms. That's one of my favorite appetizers of all time, though, so I'm a little biased. But I think they're really good.
I agree. They're absolutely delicious. The spices in them is really good. With that breadcrumb topping, gives it a little crunch, which is perfect. Overall, it's just perfect. Absolutely delicious. So with that being said, if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you can see more like it. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Happy New Year!
Bye.